Hello and welcome to this ACT lesson. Today I want to introduce you to MS Excel. MS Excel is a very popular program which is used by people across the world to do calculations and to record items in tabular format. MS Excel is also used to generate charts. For example, if you've been recording rainfall amounts over a period of months and you want to get a graph to show how the rainfall pattern is flowing, then you'll need to put that information, the numbers, in MS Excel, and you can generate a chart or a graph with it. So MS Excel has a page with boxes, and this page we call it sheet. This is what we call sheet because it is wide like a sheet and it has boxes. These boxes are called cells, or one box in Excel is called cell. Then we have boxes which flow from top to bottom in this order, top to bottom. We can call them columns. This one we call column. A column is simply a group of cells flowing from top to bottom, and a group of boxes flowing from left to right we call row. So a row is simply a sequence of boxes or cells flowing from left to right. Another point is these columns in MS Excel have names, and we label them with alphabets. So we call them A, B, C, just like that. So we'll have column A, B, C, D like that. And the rows, we name them with the numbers row 1, row 2, row 3. I will go ahead and practically show you MS Excel in action. To start MS Excel, you will come to the search box and type Excel. Avoid using the word MS because we have a lot of programs which start with the word MS. So when you just type Excel, it will be selected, then you click it. Then you choose blank workbook like that. A group of sheets or spreadsheets is called workbook. Now you can see we are in sheet 1. Here I have column D, column C, column B, column F. I also have row 2, row 7, row 1, like that. Now a cell is given a name based on which column it is inside and in which row it is inside. So for example, this is cell D3. We normally start with alphabetical letters. D3 because it is in column D and it is also in row 3. So we say this is cell D3. This one will be D8. This is B4. So when I am in MS Excel, I can record information and I can as well calculate total. So here, let me assume I am making a list for shopping. I will write here shopping list. Then I will select this box with this text and choose this to color it red. Then I will point between B and C. In this border I can drag to expand. I can drag between C and D to expand the size. Then I can record my items. Maybe biscuits, a box of biscuits. And here maybe I can have price, I can have shillings, like that. I can align right by clicking this, it comes on the right side. Then I can have maybe 50 shillings. Then I can have another box, a packet of milk, and that is 30. And I can have pen, maybe 15 shillings, and eraser can have 20. Then I can have exercise book, and maybe it is 45. So I have recorded my information in MS Excel. I can choose this cell and change its color, background color, by just clicking this jug, or choose another color here and apply it like that for the title. Now down here I want a total, so that when I'm going shopping I know how much amount I need. So to get a total here, first to calculate I will start with equal sign. I will put equal sign. After putting equal sign, I will click the first number in the list. Then I will type a plus sign on my keyboard, click the second number, plus on the keyboard, third, plus on the keyboard, fourth, plus on the keyboard, then click the last number. After the last number, you don't press the plus button again. Now to get the answer, you just press enter key like that. So finally I have my answer down here, and I can come here and change the background color for the answer. Maybe I put it yellow like that. So I have recorded information in Excel and did calculation. That is how simple it is. Try it at home and see you next time. Bye bye.